This is the last hand press that you'll ever need.
And we know that's a bold statement.
So let's prove it to you. I cannot express enough how nice this HandyPress is to use. Normally, after sacrificing so much of my time placing grommets and rivets on projects manually, I'm over how long it takes and how much it wears out my hands. But this HandyPress is a game changer. The setup is quick and it doesn't take much effort to pull down the lever at all. Ta-da! And the results are beautiful and clean every time. And the versatility, amazing. It cuts, it sets the hardware of your choice, it stamps, and one of my favorite things about it is that it can make fabric-covered buttons. It can adjust to so many die and stamp sizes, and it's compatible with dies and stamps you may already have. Plus, you can use a whole bunch of different hardware pieces and fabric options. I'm working on this curtain panel at the moment, but definitely plan on using this for future curtains, bags, cases, purses, upholstery, and other DIY projects. I can say hands down that this HandyPress would also be ideal for making everyday clothing, all kinds of accessories, costumes, and so much more. I'm already imagining how much cleaner and faster I'll be able to make projects here or at home with just a fraction of the effort. It seems too good to be true, but here we are.
The HandyPress is the most versatile hand press on the market. Why is that? Well, if you need a special die that's only made by one company, that die may only fit one hand press, and you're limited, but not with the HandyPress. The HandyPress was designed to handle all the hand press dies that we know of on the market. So you can do those tasks without having to worry about whether or not your hand press can handle those dies. Because of the extra long adjustable stroke of the main vertical shaft, this means you can handle dies that are very small and even extra large dies. No matter the die size or the thickness of the material, we can adjust the length of the vertical shaft to find that sweet spot, like on a pair of vice grips. It was also designed to stay stiff and rigid all through its travel length, making precise alignment possible for top die and bottom die alignment. Because the HandyPress has the extra long adjustable shaft which finds that sweet spot and a long handle, we can set difficult items that require a lot of force, like number 5 spur grommets or number 15 curtain grommets. They can be set with ease. Many other brands of hand presses don't offer the power setting options that the HandyPress does. No more jumping up and down on the handle. No more quick blows with the mallet. Save yourself the trouble. Get the HandyPress. Ridiculous. With the HandyPress, it's a steady, easy depression of the lever and the job is done.
Now let's talk about some use cases for the HandyPress for leather crafters. And when I first heard about the HandyPress, my initial thought was, woohoo! No more hand setting, rivets, and snaps. And for hardware installation, this tool will provide consistent and quality results in a fraction of the time as if I was doing it by hand. Pretty nice. No more misaligned rivets because I hit the setter at the wrong angle. Besides rivets and snaps, there are several other uses for the HandyPress, such as installing rivets and grommets, using leather stamps and logo stamps, cutting holes, and punching stitching lines. For hardware installation, this tool will produce consistent, quality results in a fraction of the time. For stamping or debossing, it provides even pressure so that one side of the stamp doesn't penetrate deeper than the other. The adjustable side plate and backstop will help me place my stamps in the proper position each time. For cutting and punching, the HandyPress ensures that your cutting angle is perpendicular, and this is especially important when punching stitching holes, because it'll look better and it'll also extend the life of your tools. This tool is also helpful for those who experience difficulty or pain from prolonged use of mallets and other handheld leather tools. It also allows you to work quietly so you don't disturb your neighbors or wake up your family when you're burning the midnight oil trying to finish up that project. I'm excited to start using this tool and let it make me more efficient and have better work on my projects. This tool is a great addition to any leather workshop. We love this tool and we know you will too.
The HandyPress is now available on the Sailrite website.
Follow the link in the description below to get yours today.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.